Looking for the perfect kitchen scale? Whether you're meal prepping, baking, or tracking your nutrition, accuracy matters. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best kitchen scales that offer precision, durability, and smart features. Stay tuned to find the best one for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen gadgets. Number 1. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. Make your cooking and meal prep easier and more precise with the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, your ultimate kitchen companion. Accurate measurements in grams and ounces, easy-to-read LCD display, 304 stainless steel design, perfect for weight loss, keto, baking, and cooking. Measure ingredients with precision to maintain quality and portion control for a healthier lifestyle. Its lightweight, durable, and easy-to-clean design makes it a must-have gadget for every kitchen. Say goodbye to guesswork and enjoy effortless cooking. Watch the video now and grab yours today for a smarter, healthier kitchen. Number 2. Nicewell 22-pound Digital Kitchen Scale. Looking for a kitchen scale that combines precision, style, and durability? The Nicewell 22-pound Digital Kitchen Scale is your perfect cooking companion. With 1 grab 0.1 oz precise ice graduation, this sleek stainless steel and tempered glass scale ensures accurate measurements for cooking and baking. Whether you're portioning ingredients or tracking macros, its high-capacity 22-pound weight limit makes it ideal for any recipe. The easy-to-read LCD display and sensitive touch controls offer seamless use. Upgrade your kitchen with this elegant ash-silver scale and take the guesswork out of cooking. Watch now and see why this is a must-have for every home chef. Number 3. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale 22-pound capacity. Want to take your cooking, baking, or meal prep to the next level? The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is your perfect kitchen companion. With a 22-pound capacity and 0.05 oz 1 gram precision, it ensures accurate measurements for weight loss, portion control, and perfect recipes. Switch between 5 weight units, enjoy the IPX6 waterproof design, and never worry about batteries. This scale is USB rechargeable. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it's built to last. Whether you're a home cook or a fitness enthusiast, this scale makes food prep effortless. Watch now to see it in action and grab yours today. Number 4. Juicio USAPA Approved Pickleball Paddle. The Juicio USAPA Approved Pickleball Paddle is built for players seeking ultimate spin, control, and durability. Featuring a titanium woven surface, this paddle enhances ball grip, delivering maximum spin and precision with every shot. Its thermoformed construction ensures superior strength, while the foam-injected edges provide enhanced stability, reducing vibration for a smoother, more controlled feel. The ergonomic handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, allowing players to perform with confidence. Designed for both beginners and professionals, this paddle meets USAPA standards, making it tournament-ready. Whether you're looking for powerful shots or precise control, the Juicio titanium woven paddle is the perfect choice to elevate your pickleball game. Number 5. NASA Grade 33-pound Digital Kitchen Scale. Upgrade your kitchen with the NASA Grade 33-pound Digital Kitchen Scale, the ultimate tool for precise cooking and baking. Designed with high-precision sensors, this scale measures in grams and ounces for perfect ingredient accuracy. The waterproof tempered glass surface makes cleanup effortless, while the sleek, modern design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Whether you're a home chef or a baking enthusiast, this high-capacity 33-pound scale ensures every measurement is spot on. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision, durability, and style. Watch now to see it in action and grab yours today. Limited stock available, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.